Welcome to Pathway Pearls, your guide through the mysterious and transformative journey of 5D consciousness. Imagine a world beyond the tangible, where reality extends into realms unseen and unheard. You might already be living in this fifth dimension and not even realize it. As the old saying goes, it's always darkest before the dawn. We are not experiencing destruction, dear viewers, but a profound awakening. The 3D world, our familiar terrain of physical reality, is evolving into something more, a 5D reality, a non-physical realm accessible to those spiritually awakened. It's a place where love triumphs over fear and unity dissolves division. As we embark on this incredible journey, our senses sharpen, attuning to new frequencies. Your perceptions broaden, allowing you to perceive the once invisible. This is akin to a soul's software update, and with any upgrade, expect some glitches, or what some might call ascension symptoms. These are not mere oddities, but signs of an underlying momentous change. Now let's delve deeper. As we align with this celestial shift, the old begins to dissolve, making way for the new. Relationships may end, careers change, and familiar paths diverge. This isn't mere chaos, but a necessary unraveling. As your old 3D life crumbles, it paves the way for a new 5D existence. The journey is not without its pains. Letting go is never easy. But the pain of detachment is a small price for the joy awaiting on the other side. As you navigate through this transformative process, remember that your life isn't falling apart. It's aligning with a grander design. Hold on to the vision of this new enlightened self as your old world doesn't collapse but metamorphoses into something far more magnificent. In this heightened state of being, your soul becomes exquisitely sensitive, finely tuned to the frequencies and vibrations of a higher reality. Toxins, whether they be substances, relationships, or negative thought patterns, begin to clash with your new elevated self. These discordant elements become glaringly obvious. Your body might protest, your mood may fluctuate, and irritations can become frequent. This isn't a regression, but a sign of progress. It's the discomfort of shedding old skin to reveal a more authentic you. Setting boundaries becomes an act of self-love, a declaration that your well-being is paramount. Embracing this 5D existence means making your peace of mind non-negotiable, and realizing that mental health is your most precious capital. For those of you who identify as lightworkers, this journey takes on an even greater significance. Your role extends beyond personal transformation. You are a beacon, guiding others through these times of change. Maintaining your light is essential. A dimmed lighthouse guides no ships. By distancing yourself from the negative, you gain clarity, becoming a testament to the transformative power of the 5D realm. You are not merely navigating a personal journey, but leading a collective evolution towards a higher, more harmonious existence. In a world brimming with distractions, the call of nature becomes a powerful pull. This isn't just an invitation to admire the scenic beauty, but a call to deeper wisdom and alignment. Nature knows your soul and beckons you to participate in a grand collective shift. This connection is not one-sided. As you draw peace and insight from nature, your energy, in turn, nourishes the earth. Remember, when you feel drawn to the natural world, you're not escaping but realigning with your purpose, becoming a part of a future where spiritual ascendance and earthly beauty coexist harmoniously. Finally, as you align with this new reality, another transformation occurs in your relationships. In the 3D world, interactions often remain superficial, but as you ascend, your soul craves depth. You begin to attract and forge soulful connections, relationships that resonate with your elevated state of being. These connections, whether they be friendships, mentorships, or familial bonds, are filled with purpose and depth. They go beyond the conventional, touching the core of who you are. If you find yourself resonating with these experiences, you are indeed living in a fifth-dimensional world. Embrace this journey, dear viewers, for you are part of a grand awakening. leading humanity into a new era of consciousness and unity. Remember, as you walk this path, you are never alone. Share this journey with others, and together, let's illuminate the path to a brighter, more enlightened world.